Opening statements today from the Spokane man suspected of abusing his daughter to death.
Police say 4-year-old Summer Phelps died after several near drownings in a bathtub. Today, doctors and nurses were in Spokane Superior Court to describe the girl's injuries. KXLY4's Jeff Humphreys live with us tonight. Jeff, what did they say?
Well, Robin, both a doctor and nurse from Deaconess Medical Center said it was the worst case of child abuse they had ever seen, so much so that the emergency room staff actually needed counseling the day after Summer Phelps was pronounced dead.
Today, John Lytle had this steely stare for news cameras as he was led into court. In opening statements, prosecutors then shocked the jury with a count of the number of injuries on Summer Phelps' body.
130 bruises, 106 contusions, marks and bruises over every part of her body, literally from head to toe.
Prosecutors say John Lytle inflicted those injuries along with his wife Adriana. The couple allegedly made Summer wash urine-soaked clothing in this bathtub as a form of punishment.
She did not do the washing right or complained. She'd be dunked underneath the water. She did not stand up straight. Father would push her in the back with a mop handle.
However, defense attorneys contend it was Adriana Lytle who inflicted the injuries that caused Summer to develop pneumonia, a violent stepmother stuck watching someone else's child in their cramped apartment.
A person who, in retrospect, was hardly equipped to be the disciplinarian, apparently hardly equipped to be a parent.
These are surveillance photos of John Lytle walking Summer in a Deaconess Medical Center. The emergency room nurse in charge of receiving patients said he immediately suspected child abuse.
This was the case with part of her hair missing, marks around the neck, marks that appeared like bite marks. It was absolutely horrible.
Today we also learned that John Lytle waited to smoke a cigarette before trying to give his daughter CPR. He says that's because he thought that Summer was faking a medical emergency and didn't realize she really needed help until it was too late. Reporting in the newsroom, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.